Awareness training cum vaccination program was organized by Govt Sheep and Goat at Kasumari LP School, Sartheronghang Village, Koilamati on 8th of July, Friday. There are 30 departments in total working under Karbi Anglong Autonomous Council. Each departments are working at its best to serve the people. Likewise, the Govt Sheep and Goat breeding firm are also working restlessly to uplift the people in its sector by encouraging them to be self-reliant. With the rising rate of unemployment in the district, people had to find lots of difficulties for their living. Therefore, to combat this issue in the district, the Govt Sheep and Goat breeding firm Silonijan, in association with Veterinary Department, Koilamati and Karbi Farmer Association, jointly organized an awareness training and vaccination program at Kasumari LP School, Sartheronghang Village, Koilamati on 8th of July. The event was presided by Mohan Bey, President of Karbi Farmers Association, and the introduction of the guests was done by Amarjit Dimung, General Secretary of Karbi Farmer Association.
Pindak Kasumari LP School long Koilamati hawar halo Karbi Farmer Association penisi alam thin along nang asialam thin nang lesi lutong vaccination program lepen botering program tum dakseng holo itu mau siap komplain kli bangla loje dak Koilamati hawar rong sol tum beach pangreng biang tora me kedo pam jega biang ke me long me kedo person situ mo komplain nang li bensi dom veterinary han contact pen tum dak haking pilo.
Joseph Bey, Finance Secretary of KFA, Dr. Anthony Bordeloy and Prodip Simon from Veterinary Department, Langtuk Hanse, Village Headman, Stephen Ronghang, President of KFA Nili Branch, Bikram Tagbi, President of Koilamati KFA Branch, Longbir Kathar, Jonasin Ingti, Serdihun Kathar P, and many other dignitaries attended the event. A total of more than 50 individuals participated in the workshop. It was informed that the sole purpose of hosting this event is to bring awareness among the citizens in combating and overcoming various flush and diseases that could possibly destroy the livestock.
Langtuk Hanse gaon ইয়াতে আমি goat pox vaccination goat pox মানে ছাগলীৰ সালত হোৱা এটা বেমাৰ সৰু গুটি গুটিকে উঠে মাৰ্বলৰ নিচিনা তাৰ পাছতে সেই বেমাৰটোৰ দেখাৰ পাছতে তাতে স্কিনটো ওলাই যায় ওলাই গৈ পেলাই তাত আকৌ মাখিয়ে পোক দি পেলাই অলপ বহুত বেয়া অৱস্থা কৰি দিয়ে তো তেনেকুৱা বেমাৰ যাতে নহয় এই গাঁওখনত বা এৰিয়াটোত সেইকাৰণে আজি আমি ভেটেৰিনেৰী ডিপাৰ্টমেণ্টৰ পৰা আহি গাঁৱে গাঁৱে আমি এই গাঁওখনত আমি ভেকচিনেশ্যন প্ৰগ্ৰাম ৰাখিছোঁ লগতে এটা এৱাৰনেছ প্ৰগ্ৰামো ৰাখিছোঁ যাতে কেনেধৰণে এই ছাগলী বা আৰু বিভিন্ন ধৰণৰ বেমাৰ পোহনীয়া জীৱ জন্তুৰ যিখিনি বিভিন্ন ধৰণৰ বেমাৰ নহয় তাৰ কাৰণে যিমানখিনি ভেকচিনেশ্যন কৰিব লাগে বা বেলু দৰৱ খাব লাগে সেইখিনি আমাৰ গাঁৱৰ ৰাইজক জনাইছোঁ।
Samson in this report from Koilamati for Karbi Anglong Live.